loves! Welcome back to my channel. It's Maricel here. Andito na naman po tayo sa aking kusina. So, for those who's new here, hi, thank you for tuning in. Welcome. So, in today's video, we are going to make my version of beef and broccoli. And here's all our ingredients. So, we do need a 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. This is a dark soy sauce. Minced garlic. I have minced onion in here. Baby carrots. We do have bell pepper in here. I just use the green and the red color, so it enhances more of the flavor and it's for good presentation as well. I do have 1/4 cup of beef broth in here. So this one here is 1/4 cup of cold water with the cornstarch mixed in together. And we do have, of course, the broccoli here. This is a fresh one. What I did is I steam it for like a couple minutes and then just soak it or shock it with a cold water with the ice cubes. That's it I did, so it will remain the freshness and the color of the broccoli. So here, this is our beef. I use a beef sirloin. I prefer you use a steak cut, whatever kind of cut you want for the beef and broccoli, so that you will have a tender meat and easy to cook. So this is a marinated one right now. I marinate this for an hour. The longer is better. So this is marinated with 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, and then I put 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, half a teaspoon of black bell pepper, and then 1 teaspoon of white wine. If you had a rice wine, it's better. It is for tenderizing the meat, and it hence and added more flavor as well. So what else I'm forgetting? Actually, if you have beef broth, the one in the can, it's a lot better. What I did is I just dissolved the beef cubes into the hot water, so I have a mixture here. So it's easier, I guess, and I didn't just show you how I marinated, but I am going to leave all the procedure ingredients on the section box below so you can follow. Alright, let's get started. Alright mga loves, so right now let's make our sauce. So this is the beef broth here, and we're just gonna pour in the dark soy sauce in there. That's the 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. And then, so I'm trying to mix this cornstarch and the cold water. You're gonna be using a cold water on this, dissolving in it, so to avoid lumping, and it's easy to dissolve. So here's our brown sugar. Let's just give this a mix. Oh, by the way, I know what I'm forgetting. I just decided to go ahead, use just a small amount of a sesame seed just for garnishing later when our beef and broccoli is cooked. So I'm gonna go ahead, and I do have the pan preheated right now. I'll go ahead pour in that cornstarch. So this procedure, this is going to be our thickening source for our beef and broccoli, or for thickening agent. So let's just give this a mix. Now for this recipe, you can use any kind of oil you want. Alright guys, so I am going to pour in some olive oil into our pan. About 2 tablespoons. And then we're gonna go ahead, start on with our minced onion. So for this recipe, mga loves, I recommend you use a white or sweet onion like I'm using right now. This is about 1/4 of a cup of minced onion. Just saute this for a minute, and then I'm starting out translucent and aromatic. We're gonna go ahead, add our minced garlic as well. Alright mga love, so onion and garlic is ready. So now let's go ahead add on our marinated sirloin, beef sirloin. This won't need a longer time of cooking, my loves, because the kind of meat is, this kind of meat is tender and it's easy to cook. So what I'm going to do is I am going to like cook or like sort of frying the meat. Let it like brown into brown color, but you're not going to burn it. So I am actually in a high heat right now. So I am cooking the first side first. So I did a little twist on my recipe this time. I normally not to marinate the beef. I'll just go ahead, cook it at the same time together in one pan, but I believe marinating the meat, at least if you're in a hurry, you can do it for 30 minutes, but the longer the better. So marinating it absorbs more of the flavor and it gives a better quality or better texture of the meat. Alright mga love, so while we're waiting for our meat, I have my cast iron preheated in here, and I'm gonna pour like 1 tablespoon of olive oil in there. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to stir fry our vegetable for just a minute or two, so we're not gonna overcook it later because I want it like there's still crunchiness with our vegetable. So now I'm adding our bell pepper. There you go, and I'm going to stir fry also our carrots just for a minute or so. Now our marinated beef is ready. What I'm going to do is transfer and take this out from our pan. Okay, and here it is. By the way, you can do any cut of your beef however you want. Here it is. So now the mixture or the sauce that we made earlier, I am going to bring this to a boil. Just simmer it until it's thickened. I'm gonna show you the texture later once this starts simmering. Now that our sauce is thickened, we're going to go ahead, put back our beef. There you go. As you can see, it's start thickening right now. And then let's just bring this, let's simmer this for just a few minutes, probably around 8 to 10 minutes. Just you are going to do in a low heat right now. You don't want all your sauce absorbed to the meat because we still have to put our vegetable. Alright loves, 8 minutes is over and it's time to put our vegetable. So here's the broccoli. I'm just gonna give it a mix. So we are in a low heat right now because we don't want our sauce evaporated all the way. So right now I'm going to put also our carrots. So carrot is optional, it's up to you, okay? But I would like to add extra vegetable on my beef and broccoli. So now our red and green bell pepper. You see what I mean? Look at that, how colorful it is. So I'm just gonna cover with sauce all that vegetable we got here. Now let me focus you guys. The sauce that I'm talking about. There you go. As you can see, that is the texture right now and it smells so good. There you go mga love. So this should be done. I just waited 2 minutes so it gives some more flavor added to our vegetable as well, so everything will be well combined. Alright, there you have it. Alright loves, so here's our most favorite part of the show. It's the taste time. Let's eat. So I'm gonna have some piece of broccoli and the meat. It looks so saucy. It tastes so good. There's still crunchiness of the broccoli, and the meat is tender, and it tastes so beefy. The sweetness and the saltiness is just perfectly right. If you like Chinese food, you will absolutely love this recipe, mga loves. I hope you will try this at home. So if you did like and learn from this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and like. And I hope that you will tap the bell button below so you'll be notified each time when I have a new upload. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye! Mwah.